patrol in Kajaki, one of the most violent parts of Helmand Province. Today's task is to destroy caves the Taliban have been using to fire on the 4-2 commando base, close to a strategically important dam. Afghan National Army soldiers, trained by British engineers, are going to plant the explosives and complete the mission themselves.
This has got to be one of the biggest demolitions of the Afghan National Army, and obviously it's fantastic that these lads, only 2 or 3 months out of training and a month from completing our training, they're now able to do this pretty much on their own, just with our team of engineers just mentoring them.
And while they worked, up above them on the ridge we watched a troop of commandos moving towards the Taliban front line, just a few hundred metres away, and that's where the trouble began.
2 of them have popped up, one with an RPG, one with the rifle. They've come up, troops basically stumbled across them, managed to take out the man with the rifle. The RPG man's still out there in dead ground now. They're trying to flush them out. Obviously we're here to give assistance if we need to.
And they did need to. Within minutes there was incoming fire.
Have we got any more jabs coming up?
Well, it started with engagement with just a single Taliban walking across the area in front of us, and it's turned into an awful lot more than that. There's now incoming fire onto this position on the hillside, and an awful lot of fire is going in probably 2 or 3 different positions.
Heavy firepower targeting the Taliban, hidden among the high-walled compounds. Civilians were clearly seen rushing out of the area. Not everyone is an insurgent. Air power brought the fighting to an end after about an hour. The British forces say 3 insurgents were killed. One Marine described the battle.
As we started to assault silently, the one remaining enemy stood up with a rocket-propelled grenade and, much to my shock, fired it straight at us.
And this was that moment. The smoke is the rocket being fired at close range.
As we then began to assault the position again, a round basically went through my trouser, grazed my leg and came out the other side, so a very lucky escape.
These battles are not unusual. They happen daily in Helmand, but there was still one task to complete: destroying the caves. Alistair Leithhead, BBC News, Helmand Province.